go.
All right, so the antenna are these long things here. Antennules are the shorter looking things here. Compound eye are these eyes right here. Penopods are its walking legs, the big legs right here. And then you have the swimmerettes, which are its swimming legs back here. The uropod are the fins, these two fins and these ones coming off here. And the telson is this central plate right here. The cardiac stomach is this structure right here. And the pyloric stomach is right behind it. It's this structure right here. And then you have the gills, which are these right here. And the digestive glands, which are these lighter looking things right here and right there. And then the heart, which is right between the gills. It's brightly colored right there. And that's it.